Hi, today we create Fireflies with geometry node. This Blender tutorial show you how change the multiply settings, size, density, Fireflies, radius, different variation. After this tutorial you can create any object and move to Fireflies collection. You get Fireflies on object instantly. Pretty cool, yeah? Let's start. First go to geometry node, rename object, delete group input. Now create new object, choose what you like. I like icosphere. Create new collection, click M and rename. Okay, now icosphere in Fireflies collection. Now go to geometry node and search collection info. Choose Fireflies collection. Now search realize instances, connect geometry. Now search distribute points on face. Now you see result. If we create another object and move to Fireflies collection, object have a same effect. Go back to geometry node, Shift A and search set position. Now create vector mat, vector to position, Shift D, duplicate, and one more time duplicate, Shift D. Okay, now change to scale, Shift A, search noise texture, color to vector, and change to 4D. Now we need normal connect to vector and vector to offset. Change scale, now vector. Looks very good. Now animate Fireflies. Write frame, divide 250. If you want slow animation, write bigger number. Click play. If you want more Fireflies, just up density. If you change seed, you get different variation. Also you can change scale. Okay, now add more shaders. Shift A, search instances on point. Now you can add any object what you want. I add UV sphere, mesh to instances, change radius, change number segments and rings. Looks very flat, add shade smooth. Don't forget check my channel, I have a more good tutorial about geometry node. Now way better. If you want more interesting view, connect noise texture effect to instances scale. Click play. Voila! You have a Fireflies. You can change a lot settings. But if you want more easier control, add map range. Now way easier control Fireflies, average size, min, max. Now finally add material. Search set material. Go to material properties. Create new material. Now rename Fireflies. Change surface to emission. Choose straight and color. Go to render view. Choose Fireflies material. Now change world color to black. Turn off overlays. Click play. Looks very good. Don't forget, if you create another object, move to Fireflies collection, you have a same result. I think this very useful effect. If you want see more good geometry node tutorial, check my channel. If you like this video, leave comment, I'd be really happy. Thanks for watching, see ya!